Meme coins deciphered. A type of cryptocurrency, a meme coin is inspired by and projects the vibe of a particular meme. The first, Dogecoin, was created as a joke in 2013 to satirize the craze around Bitcoin. Doge was inspired by pictures of a Shiba Inu that were overlaid with specific vocabulary written in Comic Sans. Much wow. Speaking of Shiba Inus, SHIB was the next meme coin that hit it big in 2021. Meme coins are usually even more volatile than other cryptocurrencies because they're driven by internet culture and vacillating popularity. However, some of these projects get so much community support that it's enough to propel their market caps into the billions. WIF is the new dog on the block, with a market cap that's already hit 4 billion. And in case you think it's only dogs, Pepe proves that green is also green. The beloved and controversial internet frog hit 3 billion in 2024. The main criticism of meme coins is that they don't have a use case, unless its number go up. Until, of course, the music stops and the value plummets, leaving a lot of people with a coin worth much less than they paid. Many meme coins eventually go to zero. But maybe the true use case of meme coins make crypto even more fun.